Shimmer and Shine Magic Carpet Race. The magic carpet race is today. Shimmer and Shine give Leah her own carpet. Now they can all race. The genies and Leah ride to the starting line. Zeta wants to enter the race. She dresses up as a genie. At the starting line, Princess Samira reviews the rules. The genies must fly over the beach. Then they must swoosh through the market and zoom to the top of the island. The first genie to cross the finish line will win the racing gem. Shimmer, Shine, and Leah are ready. Zeta is ready too. Princess Samira waves the flag. The race begins. Oh no! Leah's carpet does not fly very fast. Shine grants Leah's first wish. Now her carpet flies much faster. Zeta leads the race. She pours a magic potion over the beach. Poof! Twisty trees grow and make a maze. The girls are lost. Shimmer grants Leah's second wish. A sparkly path shows them the way out. In the market, someone throws fruit at them. It is Nazboo! And there is Zeta. Her genie disguise does not fool them. Leah makes her third wish. Magic paddles appear to whack away the fruit. Zeta uses another potion. The girls' carpet go wild. Shimmer and Shine fall. They land on Leah's carpet. The friends need to control the carpet. First they swing from the star, then they zoom to the top of the island. Next they bounce off a bottle. Finally, they cross the finish line ahead of Zeta. Leah, Shimmer, and Shine win the racing gem. It glitters and glows just like their friendship. The end. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. And also check out my other videos and playlists. Thanks for watching. Bye!